How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a day trade that I made over $3,000 on today, give you my exact reasoning and what I saw and how I managed my trade. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Real quick, before we go into this, if you haven't already, go to my website and subscribe. Join my email list. You're getting a free newsletter out of this. It's 100% free, and I got an insane amount of positive feedback on the first one I released yesterday. So go do that as soon as this video is over. Let's get right into this trade. Basically, what I was looking for here was a pullback to this 443.6 area for puts on SPY or ES future shorts. I traded ES today. I've been focusing on ES quite a bit here lately, especially this week because we have FOMC meeting on Wednesday, and a lot of times we will chop, especially the first couple hours of market, and it destroys your premiums right on options. So I'm focusing on ES futures. But anyways, came back up after market open. This is the opening 5-minute candle here. Come up, tested this area here. I did not take it during the initial push up, right? I really didn't see no confirmation personally that fit the my criteria, that fit my system. But some admins inside Team Bull took shorts there. It fit their system. They got in with shorts, puts. Some got puts on SPY, some got shorts on ES. But anyways, after this candle here closed, I had my confirmation I needed to see. I entered short here. Now let's take a look at ES, what I was actually trading during this. I went short here. My exact entry was right here, 4499 area. And I caught this beautiful move down here. I was completely out of the trade at the break below this candle. I didn't hold. I had a decent size on this trade. It was my main setup I was watching. As you can see here, I made a little over $3,000 on the day. And this was on a $10,000 account. Just keep that in mind. Very nice trade, very nice risk reward. And honestly, I just followed my plan, right? If you watch my weekly watch list, the one I put out yesterday on YouTube, on here, you know that I was watching that 442.63 level. That was my main level. I said we could possibly bounce here. If we fail this, I'll be looking for puts. Pre-market, we broke it a little bit, reclaimed it, came back down, bounce, bounce. Never broke it, right? Never had a nice 5-minute close below it. We bounced, right? So if you followed that game plan, which I didn't personally, if you took calls here, you caught a really nice move today. Me personally, once I hit a big trade like I did this morning, it's very rare that I take another trade. Just because one reason is that we have FOMC meeting on Wednesday. I'm saving most of my mental capital for Wednesday and Thursday. I feel like them are going to be the best days this week. If you're a new trader, you've never traded FOMC meeting, I recommend setting it out, watch. I see a lot of people, get a bad taste in their mouth trying to trade it without any experience. Or you can watch us trade it at Team Bull, see how we do things. I do my best to call out, my trade ideals, my entries during it. But yeah, hopefully I'll have some more live trading recorded for you all this week. I plan on trying to record maybe tomorrow on Wednesday and Thursday. So hopefully I can get you some good content out there. And that's all I have for this video. Sorry for the rambling. Just kind of want to give you my thought process walking through that trade. Again, a quick summary of that trade was basically a retest of an hourly resistance. We sold off hard. I want to see us come back up and pick up the orders left behind for the reject. That was my thoughts. Very simple trading. Again, that's the only way to trade. Keep it simple, trade a system, have a solid trading plan, and follow it religiously. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you next time.